Now, this is a serious and heavy responsibility cast upon our shoulders. It is a responsibility that I and my fellow commissioners intend to discharge carefully, with professionalism, efficiency, thoroughness, fairness, objectivity, and impartiality. We are aware that much has been said about these events by many people from diverse places and organizations. But it must be borne in mind that this inquiry has no case to prove. It is interested in the truth and in fair conclusions based on the evidence properly analyzed. In making our findings, we will have regard only to such matters as are substantiated by credible evidence, with unstinting regard for the rules of natural justice, fundamental fairness, especially as it relates to public inquiries and the rule of law. In this regard, we shall ensure that the report of this inquiry is scrupulously fair, both in terms of an accurate recording of the events we will be investigating, and in terms of any criticism we may make of persons involved in those events. We stress that in an inquiry of this nature, there is no claimant and defendant. There is no prosecutor or accused, no pleadings, charges, or indictments. This is an inquiry to find out what in fact occurred and why it occurred, and who, if anyone, is responsible and what can be done to prevent a recurrence. In the interest of transparency, I have directed that these proceedings be open to the public and live streamed so that it may be viewed by whoever may wish to do so. I believe that inquiries of this nature and subject matter should be carried out with the utmost care, but as expeditiously as possible. It is therefore my aim and that of my fellow commissioners to complete these hearings by the end of January next year and submit our report to His Excellency President Ali by the end of March next year, barring any developments that might change this schedule.